Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the 4th standard English class. Students, in previous video, we have discussed poem number 11 exercise. So, I hope you all have completed all that notes in your classworks. Today, in this video, we will discuss poem number 11 grammar part. In this grammar part, we will learn about singular and plural. Now let me tell you, a noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. Then what is singular? What is singular noun? Let me tell you, a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. Yes, look at here. If the noun naming only one person or animal or place or thing, for that we will call here singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house, a flower. Okay, then what is plural? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. If the noun is naming more than one person or more than animals, more than one animal, more than one place, more than one thing is called a plural noun. Okay, for example, boys, cats, houses, flowers. Then we add yes for most of the nouns to form a plural form. We add yes for most of the nouns to make it as a plural form. Okay, then we add es to nouns that end in ch, yes, ss, sh or x to get their plural form. Okay, yes, what we will do? We add es to nouns that end in yes. Which word is going to end by the yes, ss, sh, ch or x? For all that words we will add es to make it as a plural form. For example, ostrich. So if we wanted to make it as a plural, then we have to add here es. Okay, then we will get the plural form ostriches. Then dish, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Then sometimes some words ending in o take only yes in its plural form. Sometimes some words are going to end by o form. Okay, so if we want to make it as a plural, sometimes we will add only yes to make plural form. For example, piano, pianos, ox, oxen. Then the nouns that end in a consonant. If the noun is ending by a consonant followed by y, change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. Okay, if the noun is going to end by the consonant plus y, then we have to remove y. So, by removing y, we have to add it ies. Then we will get the plural form. For example, city, cities. Monkey, monkeys. Then country, countries. Yes, the nouns that end in a vowel followed by y. If the noun is ending by a vowel plus y, change into plural form simply by addition of yes. Okay, if the word is ending by the vowel, then plus y, then we have to add it only yes to make it as a plural. So here we are not going to remove y. Understood? Yes. For example, key, keys. K-E-Y, key. Okay, then we are going to make it as a plural here, so we have to add it only yes. So keys, it is a plural form, because here we are not going to remove y. Why? Because before y here they have given the vowel. Understood? Yes. To form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the fe or fe, f or fe with ves. Yes, what will happen here? To form the plural of a noun, if we want to form a plural of a noun, which noun is ending by f or fe, we have to remove f or fe. Then there we have to add it ves to make it as a plural. Okay, for example, leaf, leaves. Then a few words do not follow the rule. A few words do not follow the rule. For example, chef, chefs. Then some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep, hare, deer. Nouns that do not form plurals in the usual way are irregular noun. A few singular nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowels or vowel. For example, man, men. Yes, man, man. If we want to make it as a plural, then we have to remove this a in between word. Okay, here we have to add it e, then we will get a plural form. Okay, then tooth, teeth. Okay, understood children? Yes. Now let's discuss the exercise. Question number 1. Change the singular nouns to their plural from by adding yes, es or ies. Yes, first one, balcony. Answer is balconies. Second one, task, tasks. Then next one, tax, taxes. Next one, kidney, kidneys. Twitch, twitches. Store, stores. Reply, replies. Then sandwich, sandwiches. Then next one, glacier, glaciers. Story, stories. Next one, boss, bosses. Musician, musicians. Grocery, groceries. Glass, glasses. Edge, edges. Moving to the next question. Write the missing form of the given nouns. Change f and fe at the end of the noun into ves. Some words ending in f form their plural in the normal way. Yes, look at here. In the singular column, first one they have given here shelf. If we want to make it as a plural, then we have to remove f and we have to add here ves. Then we will get a plural form, selves. Okay. Next one, proof, proofs. Next one, wife, wives. Calf, calves. Next one, gulf, gulfs. Next, thief, thieves. Chief, chiefs. Half, half. Next, leaf, leaves. Hoof, hoofs. Dwarf, dwarves. Oaf, owls. Okay. So moving to the next question. Change the given nouns to their plurals. Most nouns ending in O form their plural by adding es to the singular nouns. However, some nouns ending in O form their plural in the normal way. Yes. Hero, heroes. Hero, heroes. Once again. Hero, heroes. Next, bamboo, bamboos. Tomato, tomatoes. Piano, pianos. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Stereo, stereos. Buffalo, buffaloes. Potato, potatoes. Photo, photos. Moving to the next question. Question number 4. What is the irregular plural form of the following singular nouns? Yes, man, men, tooth, teeth, ox, oxen, person, people, child, children, goose, geese, louse, lice, foot, feet. These all are irregular plural forms. Okay. Yes. Next, question number 5. Change the given sets of words to their plural form. If a noun consists of several words, the yes is added to the main word. Change the singular compound nouns to plural. Yes. What they have told here? If we want to make it a plural form, so we have to add s to main word. Main word. This is the main word. So for this main word, we have to add yes to make it as a plural form. Okay. Yes. Mother-in-law. While writing in a plural form, we have to add yes for main word. So we will get a plural form mothers-in-law. Next one, father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Next, son-in-law. Then answer is sons-in-law. Next one, daughter-in-law. Answer is daughters-in-law. Next, passer-by. Answer is passers-by. Passers-by. Next, water tank. Water tanks. Next one is maid servant. Maid servants. Then step brother. Step brothers. Next one is policeman. Policemen. Next one, man servant. Man servants. Okay. So moving to the challenge question. Rewrite the sentences by changing the form of the underlined nouns. Make other necessary changes too. First one, a knife is a sharp instrument. Answer is knives are sharp instruments. Second, B1, do not let flies sit on your food. Answer, do not let a fly sit on your food. C1, the owls killed several deer. Answer is a wolf killed a deer. Next, D1, the chief asked for a pair of tweezers. Answer, the chiefs asked for the pairs of tweezers. Okay, so today we have completed grammar part. Totally we have completed 11th poem. So dear students, you all have to write all these grammar part exercise in your classwork neatly. Okay, thank you children.